Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the open up URL you want to see, and once you open it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. This is going to be the home page. Right in the upper right corner. First things first, we're going to need to log in. So if you do not already have a Google account, what you want to do is go and sign up for a new one, and if you have one, just go ahead and log in normally. So once you have logged in, now we can get started. So once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here, where you'll be able to take a look at the option to start a new form. Here you can take a look at all the recent forms that we have created that we can use and so on, and now we can get started. So basically guys, to get started with Google Forms, all that you need is right here. Here we can get started creating a new form by clicking the blank form option right here. You can even choose one of the templates if you want to create a form from the template. Depending whichever option you prefer, just go ahead and create a new one, and now we can get started. So you can see here is going to be our main form, where we can go ahead and give it a name. As you can see, currently it's untitled. We can give it a description, and we can get started with asking questions we want in the form. So here is my form I have created. As you can see here, I have my tutorial form for a video and my first question with options that people will be able to vote for, and so you can edit your form however you like. Here you can add your questions. Here you can go ahead and add titles and so on. All the options that you need are right here in the middle of the page to get started. Once you're satisfied and want to go and send your form to people to vote, just click the publish button in the upper right corner. That's going to enable you to click the publish button and then send this form to anybody you want to get responses from, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.